Hello everyone, my name is Kent Metzinger, and for my presentation, I have chosen to talk about Team Fidelis. I'm also going to be working on maintaining eye contact and avoid using filler words like which I already did earlier, and also handling my mistakes. Okay, a little bit about Team Fidelis. I'm a veteran specialist with Team Fidelis, and I have been a proud member since 2015. I met Team Fidelis at one of the local 5K runs out here on 4th of July here in Kansas City, Missouri. With Team Fidelis, our main goal is to help provide hope, awareness, and camaraderie for all of the veterans. We do that by engaging in different activities, such as going to different sporting events, going out to dinner once a month. Just keeping in touch with the other veterans is a big way to help them have some kind of hope. That way they feel like there's someone who loves them and cares about them. Team Fidelis offers a bunch of different programs to help veterans out, such as the Breathe program. The Breathe program is designed to help veterans needing some financial assistance, especially around the holiday time. With Christmas, everyone struggles and it can be hard and stressful on everyone. Well, the Breathe program, it allows select veteran or a couple of veterans to be able to provide a Christmas for their families, such as giving them gift cards to go buy presents. We also give them gift cards to go buy food, to also go out to dinner, to different restaurants such as McDonald's or TGI Fridays or Applebee's or something. And it's a nice, relaxing, it's a nice fresh breath of fresh air for them. We also have another program called Boots on Ground. The Boots on Ground is where we will go to some of the local homeless camps out here in the Kansas City, Leavenworth area, and we will provide hygiene kits to the homeless veterans. And the kits, they include some soap, some deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, bottle of water, basic necessities that they might need. And we also reach out to them, let them know, hey, we're here for you, brother. We love you. We care about you. And that goes a long ways with them. Then one of my favorite events that we have just started doing is the Pound the Pavement. Pound the Pavement, this will be our second year doing it coming up this summer. We started a year ago. It's where we go out to a highly populated area in the Kansas City area. Last year we went down to the Westport area, which is a bunch of shopping malls and different restaurants. It's a highly traveled area, really big and popular out here. And we took our team flag, the American flag, with all the different branches of the military, and our whole team was out there. We did about a 5K. It was nice and hot out there, but we also set up a tent where at the beginning and end point of the marathon that we did. I ran the tent last year and had several different people come up and wanted to get more information, wanted to know how they could get involved with Team Fidelis. But Team Fidelis were really easy to find. You go to www.teamfidelis.org, and then you can search their webpage and find out more about us and about the founder, Daniel Brazil. And you can also learn how to donate to us and also how to get in contact with us. Even though we're nonprofit and all the members are volunteers, it is nice to help out whenever we can. Anyways, I hope you learned a little bit about Team Fidelis, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you for taking the time out.